Alright, so it's about 6 in the morning, Saturday, 16th of July, 2016. I have a bunch of crap on my trailer, as you can see. I got my 679 67/69 diesel on here, my 1973 SS16 diesel that I call the D10S. I have disc harrow, tote box, my Mighty Mongrel 73 SS16. Actually, it's a 69 Suburban 12 with a SS16 motor in it. I got one moldboard plow, another disc harrow. I have a 64 Suburban 600. My rear grader blades in there, another turning plow, some gas, some diesel, some tools, my farm jack. Why is all this stuff on my trailer and stuff? Colchester, Connecticut, Zagray Farm Show. See you there. So we're on our way to Colchester right now. I'm following Hugh and Kyle in the Dodge Dually, towing 5 of Hugh's tractors. I got 4 of mine with me. Well, 3 of mine and 1 of Hugh's, and my car seat's in the back, you can see there. But this is kind of what we're doing. Beautiful day. About 8:40 right now. And we're on our way. We're not too far away. We're going to stop and get some ice and then head over to the Zagray show. Should be fun. More updates coming. Well, Zagray was a success. We were there for, I don't know, I think we got there about 9, just about 9, and we left there a little after 3. Actually, about 3:30 we pulled out of there. Hot day, but it was pretty good. I sold my 8-inch moldboard plow that I got for 40 bucks. I bought a pair of tires that I wanted for my GT18 for 50 bucks, and then I bought another set of tires for 15 bucks just to have for my parts tractor probably. But all in all, it was a great day. Met some other YouTube guys. I'm gonna have to look you up because I forgot your YouTube account names, but it was a lot of fun. We drove around the whole thing. We went through the sand pit. We went through the old machine work museum. We saw the live sawmill demonstration. It was just a great day. So we get lots of good video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and look forward to seeing you guys again. Gotta say one thing though, my Avalanche, not liking towing 4 tractors and all my gear. It is doing about 65, and when I accelerate hard I get a pretty bad driveline vibration. Without electric brakes on my trailer, this thing's got trouble stopping, so I'm probably gonna have to start looking for a new truck here soon. So I don't know, I got my 91 GMC step side that I like driving, but can't tow with that thing, and it gets pretty bad gas mileage. Even though it's a nice truck, it's fun to drive. I might end out selling that for what I can get for it, taking the money for a down payment, trade in my Avalanche, and then see what I can buy for a new truck. So I don't know, but Zagray, lots and lots of fun. Colchester, Connecticut, fun for kids. They had great food, they had ice cream, they had frozen lemonade. It was just a great time. So I'll be looking forward to going again. Next time we'll probably spend 2 days when we do it. However, I don't know, next time I'll probably have to bring my kids with me. So we'll see how that goes, but it was a lot of fun. Look forward to it again. You guys do a great job down at Zagray, at the museum and everything, so thank you. Bye.